Did you know that most people regret at least one house they bought once in their lifetime? Whether you are a first-time homebuyer or a new investor looking for a great deal, you must know the top 5 home buying mistakes to help you avoid them at all costs. I know purchasing a home is a very emotional experience. If you let your emotion get the best of you, you might make one of these home buying mistakes. Because home ownership has many consequences. It's critical to keep your emotion in control and make the best logical choice. If you don't know what you can afford, it's difficult to leave a home after you've fallen in love with it. You begin to fantasize about how perfect your life would be if you have all of the beautiful amenities it provided, like the wonderful tree-lined streets, the jetted bathtub, which I had one as well, kitchen with professional-grade equipment, imagining yourself cooking like Gordon Ramsay. However, imagine yourself in that property will only disappoint you if you aren't able to afford it. To minimize temptation, limit your property search to homes in your financial capability. Otherwise, you may put yourself in the situation of wanting to spend above your means or feeling dissatisfied with what you can genuinely afford. Skipping mortgage pre-approval, as we have learned from the subprime mortgage catastrophe. In contrast, what you believe you can afford and what the bank is ready to lend you may not be the same, particularly if you have low credit or an unsteady income. Before making an offer on a home or even going house searching in earnest, get pre-approved for a loan. If you don't, you'll be wasting your time if you sign a contract, only to find out later that the bank won't lend you what you need, or that it will only lend you on condition you find unacceptable. Pre-approval will also assist you in locating the right homes in your right price point, not comparing prices. You should be practical in your search and prepared to make some compromise. Don't give up on the essential. For example, if you know you are going to have kids and need 3 bedrooms, don't buy a 2-bedroom house. If one of the reasons you are tired of apartments living is because you don't like sharing walls with your neighbors, don't purchase a condo simply because it's less expensive than a single-family home. True, you have to make some sacrifice to buy your first house, but don't make any that will put a big burden on your finance. Most communities include similar or identical homes. They may have all been built by the same builder. Even if you can't locate an exact model you want for sale, you'll most likely be able to discover a home with similar amenities. If you're thinking about buying a condo or a townhomes, the chances are in your favor as well. Being willing to continue your search will save you from making hurried judgments that you may come to regret later. Not working with a realtor. If you are serious about buying a property, don't go to an open house without first consulting with a realtor. Building a relationship with a trusted local realtor will save you money and headache in the long run. They will point out things that you don't see and notice. They will have your best interest in mind when showing homes and negotiating. Give me the call and let's go over your real estate goals together and work on a strategy to get you there. Don't be desperate. If you've been searching for a while and haven't found a home you like, or worse, have lost on the home you want, it is tempting to panic and get desperate. If you get into a home that you don't like, the transaction fee or get rid of it will be high. You will have to pay realtor fees as well as closing costs for the mortgage on your new home. You will also have to deal with the trouble and cost of relocating again. It's okay to wait until something suitable comes along. There will always be new homes coming on the market that could fit your needs. Just make sure you are ready when these homes come on and prepared to make an offer to win. I'm Iris Young and I'm here to provide you a smarter approach to real estate. If you got something from our video, please leave us a like, and if you are interested in other real estate topics, please subscribe and click that notification bell button to be updated as we upload twice a week.